doing a quick coat of polyurethane varnish. Well, we do a couple of quick coats just to seal the boat off, seal off the epoxy, give it some UV protection. And to be honest, it's not the best varnishing in the world, but this is going to be a workhorse, so we do our very best to make it look good. But yeah, so hopefully it'll come out looking okay. And they're reasonably shiny. The only problem with shiny boats is you've got to step in them and they get very, very slippery, so we're going to have to put some anti-slip on. I'm not doing the cap rail. I'm going to put epoxy on that just to make it quite look. It looks beautiful as well. Be nice and deep. I think I'm going to run out of epoxy varnish now, which is a real pain in the neck because I just didn't mix enough. So I'm going to have to go back in and mix some more. Tiny amount. It's not good. But I won't be giving this a sand, I'll just be putting another coat on the top. We've basically run out of patience with boat building. And as I've said before, it's a functional item. It's meant to be used, it's not going to be sitting in a boat show somewhere, showing itself off to the world. And yeah, we just got to hope that I think we have just enough varnish, which is wonderful. This stuff really, really stinks. If I run out, I'll just have to double up on the other one. I'm not going to be able to do this side. But I didn't put enough thinners in, I don't think. It's pretty thick. So I'll thin a bit more next time. Yeah, I think it's looking reasonable. And we seem to have enough, just enough for this face. Sniff it too much. Dreadful stuff. The smell. Unfortunately, I'm a bit knackered from sanding my daughter's and her boyfriend's upstairs bedrooms over the weekend, so concentrating. Not concentrating as well as I should, I think it's probably the right description. So the key thing with varnish is leave well alone once you've done the job, because then it does its magic. Now, of course, we've done the varnish, we can see all the flaws, all the areas where I didn't sand. But what can you do? Just go around and have a look, there's no runs. And I think it's looking half decent. So we'll let this dry off. And I'll put another, I might do an epoxy coat on it. Just have to see. All in all, I think it's looking reasonable.